We sing happy birthday to you, and may all your dreams come true.
Happy, happy birthday.
This is your birthday song.
Celebration all night long.
May all your dreams come true.
We sing all together.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday celebration. Party night, could feel the vibration. Lights are bright, we're feeling alright. We're dancing till the morning light. Happy birthday celebration. Everybody get the temptation. Once again, this is your night, and everyone feels
Sing
right.
happy birthday to you, and may all your dreams come true. We sing happy birthday to you, and may all your dreams come true.
Happy, happy birthday.
This is your birthday song.
Celebration all night long.
May all your dreams come true.
We sing all together.
Happy birthday to you.
It's a perfect motivation. Feel the vibe, enjoy the fascination. All your friends are here tonight. Happy anniversary, we hold you tight. It's a perfect situation. Hale and hearty, what a combination. Once again, this is your night, and everyone feels right.
Happy birthday to you, and may all your dreams come true.
Happy birthday.
Sing happy birthday to you, and may all your dreams come true.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, we sing to you. May all your dreams come always true.
Happy birthday.
We sing to you forever and ever. Happy birthday, we sing to you. May all your dreams come always
Happy
true. Happy birthday, we sing to you forever and
This is your birthday song.
Celebration.
Hi Jaspal, I wish you a great 40th birthday. This is your day. This is the best thing that can happen to anybody in their lifespan. I don't have any script to talk about, just everything coming out as it's happening in my mind. I think you're the best thing that happened to us, my family, me. I just jotted down a few points just while I was waiting for my guys here. Great wishes from all your family, from India, from all your friends from across the globe. A lot of people who couldn't join us today. You will see their greetings in some time from now. This 40th birthday preparation has been very secretive. A few people who have really helped us to make this happen. Special thanks to Mitu from India. She was the one who actually compiled this whole thing, helped me in organizing the sequence of events. Special thanks to Bedi family, offering their house to be the venue for this auspicious day. Also, Prince and Sanya always been there for us. Romal and Tina helped us in all the decoration stuff. Ravi and Navgeet in various different formats of this today's event. Payal and Harsh, Aman and Tanu, Sharad and Adu. The thing is that we kept this very secretive from few husbands and few wives for quite a long period of time. We've been working on this since almost 3 months now. Mummy was informed only about a couple of days back, and you've been pushing कि मेरे ऑपरेशन के बाद कौन आया कैसे क्यों. So we've been just going through this with you, just going with the flow. Also, just wanted to say that we wanted to make this day special for you, and thank you for your emotional attention, and all the very best. And special greetings from from a lot of people, great, good guys, people who have been with us all this while. And I just want to and also take this opportunity to say that these are the real people who are really, who they all like you, they all love you. That's why finalizing the list of people who would be invited for this event was also a hurricane task. But I think we did a good job, and hopefully you will enjoy the rest of your life, and all the best. All the best from me, Simran, Mummy, and your parents and your brothers from India and everybody. I love you, and that's for you, my friend. This one's for you, baby.
Happy birthday, Pali. Today is your special day. Enjoy it. Have a nice day. We are not with you, but our wishes are always there with you. Love you. God bless you.
Wish you many happy returns of the day, Pali, and a special song for you. फूलों का तारों का सबका कहना है, 1000 में मेरी बहना है, सारी उम्र हमें संग रहना है. फूलों का तारों का सबका कहना है.
Happy birthday, Masi. Wish you a very happy birthday today.
Happy birthday, Masi.
To you, Pali. Wish you a very good health and prosperity.
Hello Pali, happy birthday to you. I miss you.
Hi Didi, many happy returns of the day. We are not there with you, but our blessings and best wishes are always with you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
May
May all your dreams and wishes come true, and may your life be as beautiful as you and your heart is.
Hi Pali, I have this habit of standing beside you since I was a child, and I promise that is never going to.
Jaspal, I just wanted to take a few more moments in today's event and wanted to say a few words about love, what the meaning of love for you means to me. Last night I looked up into the stars and matched each one with a reason why I love you until I actually ran short of them. Life without you is like a pencil, totally pointless. It's a broken pencil. You complete my life in totality, mere dost. You've always been the pillar of strength through our ups and downs of life. I'm saying this with a lot of conviction, whatever is coming to my mind, trying to use the best of vocabulary that I can figure out right now. You are the best present without whom my future is always dark. You complete the meaning of my life, and never in a million years can I thank you for giving us Simran. She's the biggest reason of our existence, our love, our bonding. I think nothing better to say that I love you from the deepest cores of my heart, and I pray to God that we love like this, we love each other like this forever. If I were to ask to do this all over again, I'll do it again and again with you, because you complete my life in its totality. God bless you, my friend. You are always there for me, for Simran, for us, and I wish you all the best in your life. Hope you're enjoying your day, and we will have more surprises as the day passes, as the day goes on. This one's for you, my friend. All the very best. Start.
Happy Mother's Day.
I love you.
I love you.
Have a good. Happy birthday, Mama.
Happy birthday, Mama.
I love you.
I love you.
माँ, मेरी माँ, प्यारी माँ, मम्मा, हो माँ, मेरी माँ, प्यारी माँ, मम्मा, हाथों की लकीरें बदल जाएंगी, गम की ये जंजीरें पिघल जाएंगी, हो खुदा पे भी असर, तू दुआओं का है घर, मेरी माँ, मेरी माँ, प्यारी माँ, मम्मा, हो माँ, मेरी माँ, प्यारी माँ, मम्मा, बिगड़ी किस्मत भी संवर जाएगी, जिंदगी तराने खुशी के गाएगी, तेरे होते किसका डर, तू दुआओं का है घर, मेरी माँ, मेरी माँ, प्यारी माँ, मम्मा, हो माँ, मेरी माँ, प्यारी माँ, मम्मा, यूं तो मैं सबसे न्यारा हूँ, तेरा माँ मैं दुलारा हूँ, यूं तो मैं सबसे न्यारा हूँ, पर तेरा माँ मैं दुलारा हूँ, दुनिया में जीने से ज्यादा उलझन है माँ, तू है अमर का जहां, तू गुस्सा करती है बड़ा अच्छा लगता है, तू कान पकड़ती है बड़ी जोर से लगता है, मेरी माँ, मेरी माँ, मेरी माँ, प्यारी माँ, मम्मा, हो माँ, मेरी माँ, प्यारी माँ, मम्मा।
बोलो सत श्री अकाल करो। पाली जन्मदिन दिया, जोर जोर दी बोलो, उधर देख के बोलो। जन्मदिन दिया,
ਲੱਖ ਲੱਖ ਵਧਾਈਆਂ।
बहुत रब
राधे बहुत कुछ दिता है,
रब तेनू बहुत कुछ देवे,
बहुत कुछ देगा,
मुंडा देवे,
भी आएगा।
खुश
कर दिया।
Hi, Jaspal, Polly, Jaspal Gore, many happy returns और जन्मदिन दिया लाख लाख बधाइयाँ।
Hi Pali, many happy returns of the day. God bless you with a happy long life filled with happiness, and may God bless you. You're turning 40, yeah? 40 means getting naughty. Allow.
Pali, wishing you a very, very happy birthday.
Hi Bhabhi, wishing you a very, very, very happy birthday. Honestly, I've known Hardeep for a pretty long time, and he's an amazing guy. But I believe he's very, 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 very lucky to have you as his partner. You are amazing, and we love you, and you are an amazing, amazing, amazing cook. And hope to see you very soon. Happy
Wishing
birthday!
you all the very best.
Bye.
Happy birthday.
Hi, happy birthday.
Hi Pali, happy birthday. Have a blast and we'll miss you. And our treat is due and we are waiting for that too.
Happy birthday, Pali auntie.
Happy birthday, Polly. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy
super year.
birthday to you. Have a long life.
And we all love you.
Love you.